Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about CSS selectors, one of the most important topics in CSS. Selectors are what we use to target specific HTML elements and apply styles to them. Without selectors, CSS wouldn't know where to apply the rules we write. There are many types of selectors in CSS, but today we'll focus on the three most important ones: element selectors, class selector, and ID selector. Let's take them one by one. Element selector. First, let's start with the element selector. This one is super simple. You just write the name of a HTML tag, and CSS will style all elements of that type. For example, this means, hey browser, make all the header tag elements have red text. You can say, so if your page has 3 different paragraphs, all of them will turn red because they all match the selector P. You can use this for any tag, just like div, image, or whatever. It's great when you want to apply a general style to many elements. We're going to let the H1 with color red. Second is the class selector. This one is more flexible. We use it when we want to style some elements in a certain way, not all. Let's say you have 2 paragraphs, but you want to make only one of them have a larger font. You can give it a class. In HTML, you write, for example, P, I'm looking for a new word that everybody's perfect in CSS. And we're going to assign it a class. Call it highlight. And we're going to create a new P that says, I am eating a pizza, but we don't assign it the class. And we create an H2 that says it's a unicorn. And we assign it the class highlight. So here we write highlight. First we use that highlight because it's a class, and we open with braces. Create the highlight, and we assign the color. Column F3, F3, F3. Yeah. This is a light white. Here's the key. In CSS, we use a dot before the class name. Remember that. So highlight applies all the style to any element that has the class highlight, even if they are different type of tags, because we have a header and a P, but they have the same class highlight, so they are going to have the same style. And finally, we have the ID selector. ID are used for unique elements, something that only appeared once on the page. Maybe your page has one header, one main section, or one footer. To tag them, we use an ID. In HTML, we use after the tag. Here, for example, we put ID header, not header because header is a general name, title. So we are going to the CSS file. After those, we put hash and the name of the ID that we added before. This is title dash hash title, open braces, and we're going to put a background color blue. So we save all the changes and we are going to the file index.html. We see the difference. Well, it isn't beautiful obviously, but it's just only an example. In the next video we are going to organize everything, but we'll explore that in a future video.